Good morning.
Good morning, madam.
What is your name?
My name is Lakshmi. I am studying LKG. My school name is Kalamchand School.
What is your father name?
Sundari.
Father name, Amma.
Suresh.
What is your mother name?
Bhodari.
Very good. What is your favorite color?
It's yellow.
Yellow. What is your favorite food?
Fish.
Fish. Very good. What is your favorite cartoon?
Solomon.
Doraemon. Ah, very good.